Yo, dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So, today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. This is the Itaewon Class original soundtrack. So, this is the collection of the soundtracks from I think it's a drama or soap opera. I'll show you how you categorize it, but V did a track for it, and so cool magnet button. That's cool, actually. That's really nice. I like that. So we got a whole bunch of stuff. So I know nothing about this show. Boss staff manager, but I'm sure you people might, so I'll show you everything without knowing, and I'll talk really nonsensical stuff. So what I noticed, they got some delicious soju. They're having a nice little meal. Oh, it's a postcard. Alright, cool. Looks like this guy's in some sort of work crew or jail. Another postcard. Drinking Svedka. They had to block it out, but that's vodka. It's kind of a cheaper vodka. I don't know. Looks like she's flipping a coin over a building edge. These are like sticker punch out thing. Not stickers, but like punch out cards. Kind of interesting. They make you punch them out yourself. I've yet to see that before. So as mentioned, I clearly don't know anything about this show other than that V did a soundtrack for it, which I've heard. It's more of a slow song, so not sure. Here we go, here's the track list. So they definitely like their soju. Is that a little lemon on top? Never had soju that way. Which one has V in it? Oh, because I didn't have to, it's right there. It's on CD2, Sweet Night with V. Perfect. So that's why I bought it. I like to own all of the video and audio media that they release on at all, whether it be a soundtrack. Hey, I've seen that lady on something, and that guy. I've seen them before. Not sure what. My wife watches a lot of Korean dramas and soap operas, so she is going to enjoy this one, I'm sure. But it's disc 2 that V is on. CD1, CD2, Sweet Night instrumental. I love when they add the instrumentals. I'm a big fan of instrumentals, so I always enjoy when they do that for me. Alright, now we've got a photo book. Oh, this is nice. This is a hardcover photo book. It's very nice. Very nice. So, probably going to be fairly quick about this. Again, I don't know anything about these folks, so I'm just kind of checking things out. So, Itaewon Class, looks like they're in some sort of school, some drama, drinking with dad. Good morning, I'm a bird. Good morning, son. Still fighting it. Oh, these are the lyrics as well, it looks like. Looks like some drama, man. We got some rock he probably hit a guy over the head with. Love interest earlier. Scrape. Yeah. I'm kind of interested in what this show is actually about. Got some interesting scenes. This guy's definitely the main character. Some sharp edged bangs he's got there. Little love interest. This guy looks like a guy from I can't remember the band, but he looks like he's in a K-pop group. They are drinking that Svedka. Is he dead or is she giving him a kiss? Maybe a little of both. He shows they never show affection unless there's some awkward way of doing it. Just say defense. Just put your hand on their mouth. I like that. It's a good defense. That guy looks like the tough mafia boss. Does this guy look like an American? Moulin Rouge. Kind of looks like the lead singer to BAP in that One Shot video a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, he's the boss. So they must like maybe run a bar. Oh, so this is a name badge. So you can write your name on it and put it on your shirt. I see. Oh, you don't put that. You put these. That's what these are for. These little stickers. I'm getting it. I'm learning. I'm only half stupid. He's going through some tough times. Some bad dude made her cry. Now he's gonna punch him in the nose. Uh-oh, he's meeting the boss man. Now they're laughing at the YouTube video of him beat him up. I don't know. Crush. That much. Oh, sad times, sad times. She won something. Sweet Night with V. Alright. Get up on those lyrics. Produced by Hiss Noise and V. Theodora Melanie Joy Fontana. Man, she's been working with BTS so much lately. It's great. Recording engineer was P-Dog at Dog Bounce. Oh yeah. Always got to get P-Dog on there. Right. Brand new way. Ooh, bloody. That's the main character. He's not looking too good. But now he's alright. Now he's drinking soju again. Is she tied up in a bathroom or something? He's the bad guy. Start over. Yeah, that's a cool rooftop bar. Drinking soju on a rooftop bar. Looks like a fun time. Oh, now they're in love. So some behind the scenes, yeah. Behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, gonna have to let my wife watch these. She's gonna love these. This looks like her type of show. Ooh, a lot of credits. Haven't a clue. I'll scan them for those of you who do. Cool. Well, that looks fun. That actually looks like a show that my wife would really enjoy, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this as well. Sorry I don't know anything about this, but you know, had V in it, so I had to get it. That's my style. But yeah, let me know in the comments below whether this show's cool or not, whether I should have my wife watch the whole thing. And yeah, let me know what you thought of this video and my stupid comments. And leave a like and subscribe if you liked it. If not, yeah, just click next or something. But anyway, talk to you soon.